Have a dark fireplace that needs a fresh new look? Watch this! Start by taping off the hearth around the fireplace and the firebox. Next, remove the mantel if possible and lay down a drop cloth to protect your floor. After that, fill piping bags with thin set mortar. Then begin piping the mortar into the grooves of the brick. This is much more fun with another set of hands. Remember to pay attention to details and get into all of the grooves for a finished look. Continue this process all the way down to the hearth. Next, begin smudging the mortar around each brick to give it a weathered look. Already looking brighter. Scrape off any excess mortar that got onto the firebox with a putty knife. You can avoid this by adding plastic over top when you apply it to the rest of the fireplace. After the fireplace is dry, tape off the firebox. Make sure to cover all of the screens with tape. Next, grab some Rust-Oleum High Heat Ultra Spray Paint in whatever color you want and begin spraying on. After you're done spraying and it's dry, peel the tape right off. Next, add the mantel back on and add some items to personalize the space. Before, this fireplace was dark and outdated, and now it's a breath of fresh air for the whole room. This technique would also be great on an outdated brick wall. I hope this inspires you to give this German Schmear technique a try on your outdated fireplace. See you in my next video!
Hey YouTube, to never miss another Hometalk video, click here to subscribe. And for inspiration for your next DIY project, click here.